Today we're discussing warehouse floor repair, epoxy versus polished concrete, the key factors and what to consider. Beginning with warehouse floor repair, epoxy versus polished concrete. Quick answer: epoxy costs 3 to 7 per square foot DIY but takes 7 days to cure. Polyurea costs 8 to 15 per square foot but cures in 24 hours and is more flexible. Polyurea wins for durability. Next, warehouse floor repair, epoxy versus polished concrete comparison. Choosing between epoxy coating and polished concrete for warehouse floor repair affects cost, maintenance, and performance for years. Understanding the real differences helps you choose the right solution for your specific needs. On advantages: lower long-term cost, no coating to replace when it fails. Breathable, allows moisture to escape, important in some environments. Furthermore, durable, the concrete itself is the finish. Moving to disadvantages: may need periodic repolishing. Next, epoxy, better chemical resistance and visibility. Epoxy is a coating applied over concrete. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.